So how can we create and modify already existing experiments? We go here to the main page and to log in, where we can put our username and password. And as we log in, we see the dashboard and to the left different options. So I will go here to groups, where I can see the complete list of all the groups and their description, whether it is active or inactive. And this is a very interesting feature because we can create groups and experiments in advance and activate or inactivate them depending on whether we want them to be seen in the front end or not. So for example, if I go here to the front end to Hochschule Rheinwald, we see these are the three groups that are active, but if I wanted Science Club 134 to be also shown, then I just refresh here and we can see Science Club 134. So how can we edit already existing experiments or steps or pages? Here it's important to know then the structure, the hierarchy in which each of these elements are shown. So inside of groups, we have experiments. Inside of experiments, we have pages. Inside of pages, we had steps. And it's important to remember this because in the 4 buttons that are offered here, the blue button allows us to edit, but only edit the title of the corresponding element. So here, edit here will allow me only to edit the title of bioprocess engineering, which we don't want to because it's an already existing course. But if I wanted to edit an experiment inside bioprocess engineering, if I want to edit the title, I would then press here. But if I wanted to edit a page or a step inside of it, then I would have to go to the corresponding element and then press edit. Now, both pages and steps also have this option, which is really useful because it allows us to change the order of the pages as they are shown. So right now, for example, if we go to bioprocess engineering and to aerobic fermentation, the first page is this, which says, for this lab session, the following items will be prepared. But if I wanted to change the order and now have a different page, I would then go to bioprocess engineering, experiments, then I would go to here, aerobic fermentation. And supposing I want this page to be first, I just press here the arrow. And if I refresh here, then this will be the first page that is shown. In the next video, I will then show how we can create different steps.